Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Mantra with Bhushan Sharma. In today's video, we are going to see an interesting formation called a morning star. What is morning star formation? Okay, basically, there are two space stars, morning star and evening star. Both are important. Star is the word used for a small body which is formed with a gap. So body is not overlapping with previous body. That is essential to qualify it as a star. Okay. But morning star and evening star, both these formations, they are three candle formations. They have three candles in each of them. Morning star, we say it's a bullish reversal pattern. After a morning star formation, if initially there is a downward trend, it is likely to change into an uptrend. Remember, morning star should be formed after a fall. Only then it is valid. If after a rally you see something like morning star, that doesn't signify anything. Okay. So morning star is a bullish reversal pattern and evening star is a bearish reversal pattern. After a rally, there is an evening star and the stock starts coming down. So these formations give us an idea what is exactly happening in the market or in the stock. Okay. So morning star, as we said, it is a bullish reversal pattern. And where does it happen? Bottom of a downtrend. Then it is going to give you the reason. See, this is a bullish formation. So if it is formed after a rally. That doesn't mean anything actually. There is no reversal, right? What is reversal? Direction should change. So when bearish direction changes to bullish direction. And where that can happen? That can happen only at the bottom of it. So first day, there is a black candle because bearishness continued. Next day, there is a small bodied candle which is formed down. Below this black candle, body should not overlap. Ideal. There are a lot of variations, but this is the ideal. Okay. Now, this lower small bodied candle may be black, may be white. Okay. But gap between the bodies is preferable. On third day, you get a white candle, preferably above the body of the second candle. And you get a white candle, which, so there is a gap between close of first day and body of second day. And second day's body's color is not very much important. White, of course, gives better indication. Black doesn't give that much. But third day's candle is more important. Third day, you get a white bodied candle. And it should ideally go above the midpoint of first day's candle. So first day fall, mark the midpoint. Then second day, little down, small candle. Third day, a long white, going and closing above the midpoint of first day's candle. Okay, so this midpoint concept is very important. If it is completely going above the first day's candle, still better. Still strongly bullish. So these conditions are to be paid attention to. So just see this morning star formation. There is a fall. First three candles indicate the fall. Fourth candle, which is actually third, fourth, and fifth candles together, they are forming the morning star. So third candle is the candle one of morning star. Second candle, small bodied candle down. Shadows may overlap, may not overlap. Body should not be overlapping. Third day's candle, last day. The long white, which is closing above the midpoint of the first black candle, candle number one. Neglect the candles on left side two candles. Candle number 3, 4, 5, they are forming here the morning star formation. So close of candle number 5 should be above the midpoint of candle number 3. That is essential. Only then it is qualifying as a morning star and only if it is formed after a fall. Now fall may be 8 days, 10 days, 15 days, doesn't make a difference for 6 months. Okay, but at the bottom, this formation indicates bulls have taken charge. Okay. Sometimes that middle candle can be a doji. We have already seen doji, candle with no body. Doesn't make a difference. Implications are the same. It is also bullish. Okay. So let us see examples. Now see here. The stock was falling. Now see slight variation here. Where it marked in the circle, that is the morning star. First day, the black candle, copy book. Second day, small bodied candle, copy book. Third day, see what happened. The candle is not that long, but it is closing above midpoint of first black, which makes it still a morning star. Okay, so morning star. After that, the rally began. Then again, the stock came down, but it did not close below the lowest point of this morning star. It again gain strength from there, which is indicating at that lowest level, bulls were buying. Okay, bulls were buying. Now we have already studied Marubozu candles and all. You will find quite a few Marubozus here. Okay, bearish, bullish. There are some dojis here. Just try to learn more and more, and you will get more and more information. You will understand the chart better. Okay, so this is the morning star formation. After which the bounce came, then again some down. That is not essential. It may take place sometimes, some bad news or something, but not breaking the lowest point of morning star on the closing basis. Closing is important. Indicates that morning star is providing sufficient strength to the stock. Okay, and then the stock has started going down. Okay, now see here another formation. Stock came down and the doji at lowest point and the bullish candle. Like again, the three candles marked in the circle, they constitute the morning star, right? Yes, the middle candle is actually a doji. It's a dragonfly doji. You spotted it correctly, most probably. And then it went up. Then a long white Marubozu immediately after the circle. Another black candle, but that did not work. The rally actually continued. So those who bought at a lower level might have booked some profit there, may not be very confident. So one day stock came a little down, but that did not remain long. It just continued. The bullishness just continued. So this is how morning stars work. Very powerful bullish reversal. A bearish trend after a month and morning star appears is going to get converted into a bullish trend. So this actually gives you a good idea when should I buy the stock. When this candle closes, morning star is in place, you can think of buying. Okay, so that is a very strong bullish formation. Morning star. If you like the information, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you will come to know about the new videos immediately. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Market Mantra with Bhushan Sharma.